Hi guys, today I'm gonna work on replacing the fog lights on my 2013 Porsche Cayenne. As you can see, the lamps are all broken up, so what I'm gonna do is to remove the wheel first, then remove the fender liner, and hopefully gain access to that fog line. Got the front wheel off. I got the fender liner off. Now I can see the fog light clearly. It's got about 2 screws holding it. This one and that one right there. So I'm gonna take that off and replace the whole thing. Alright, got the old one fog lights off. I'm gonna slide it in. Alright. All you gotta do now is put the screws back in, tighten it up, and then the connector, it should be good to go.